This is question number 7 from the June 2016 Algebra 1 Regent. The acidity in a swimming pool is considered normal if the average of 3 pH readings, P, is defined such that P is greater than 7 and P is less than 7.8. If the first two readings are 7.2 and 7.6, which value for the third reading will result in an overall rating of normal? There's a lot of information given in this question. But what we need to do is we need to find a third value of pH reading that will make the average of 7.2 and 7.6 and the third reading greater than 7 and less than 7.8. So let's set up an equation. We need 7.2 plus 7.6 plus some number x. We don't know what the third reading is. And the average of that, so we're dividing it by 3. We need this value to be greater than 7 and less than 7.8. The easiest way to solve this problem would be probably to just plug in the answer choices 1, 2, 3, and 4 for x and see which one gives us that this P, this whole thing represents P, which one gives us that P is between 7 and 7.8. Let's start with choice 1. If for choice 1 we have 7.2 plus 7.6 plus the value in choice 1, which is 6.2, and the average of that, what is it? Let's do it on the calculator. The average of this is 7. Since 7 is equal to 7, 7 is not greater than 7, choice 1 cannot be the correct answer. Let's move on to choice 2. For choice 2, we have 7.2 plus 7.6 plus the value in choice 2 would be 7.3, and the average of this is, let's do it on the calculator again, 7.36 repeating. This value is between 7 and 7.8, so if the value of the third reading would be 7.3, we would have an overall rating of normal because P would be between 7 and 7.8, so choice 2 is the correct answer. You could try out the values in choices 3 and 4, but it's not really necessary because you already know the answer is choice 2.